good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 Ride through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better.
It's now Saturday the 22nd and I've made it into Hunter Valley. As I said before, the Combi Festival was cancelled, which is a big shame. But anyway, I was halfway down, thought I'd just carry on. And I found this great little spot right beside a vineyard near Colin. So I'm just going to sit here for the day, do a bit of work, do some video editing, sort some stuff out on the van, and just generally take it easy. It's a great little spot.
Whoa, oh, ride through life and move ahead to your destination. Shine so bright, be the light of a new creation. If the world is a stage, better start the show. 7, 8, 9, 10, ready, set, let's go. Turn it on, turn it up. Are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome. It is Sunday morning now. I'm just leaving wine country, New South Wales, the Hunter Valley. So I'll just give you a quick view. So I spent the weekend at a place called Colin, which is basically the heart of the winemaking region. This is the Roche Estate, which is a really picturesque location, really nice. And there's, I don't know, a lot of really nice wineries in this area. It's a beautiful spot. So I'm going to head north primarily because obviously the coronavirus and any possible lockdowns. All my friends, my family, well, my daughter, she's in Brisbane, and my friends, a lot of my friends are on the Gold Coast and in Brisbane. So I'm going to head up there. If I get stuck or if we get locked down, then I'm going to be close to where my friends are. I will be in the van, so I'll be locked down in the van because I have no house. So that's my plans for the week.
to life. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new day. And everything's coming your way. And you wanna make it last forever. Well, every day is a new day. And everything's coming your way. And you wanna make it last forever. Just keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better. Yeah, it keeps getting better.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. I've been driving all day and I've made it to Warrumbungle. Now, there has been a huge change of plans. Just on my trip today, on the way up here, a friend texted me and said that the Queensland and New South Wales borders were going to be closed. The announcement's going to be tonight, but they reckon they're going to be closed within 48 hours. I'm 900, 1,000 k's away from the Queensland border. So I'm basically just going to carry on today, head up to kind of Tamworth, Armadale sort of area, spend the night there, and then hit the road again tomorrow, get back into Queensland. What's tomorrow? I lost track of the days. So get back into Queensland, say Monday night, possibly Tuesday, and then see how it goes from there, and just suck it and see. Now, I'm not sure if you're aware that every state in Australia, every state and territory, they have their own borders. Normally these are soft borders. So basically the roads, you just drive through them and it says you're in Queensland, says you're in New South Wales, whatever. So from what I understand is they're actually going to turn these borders into hard borders. So you can't cross them unless you're an essential. So a good couple of days driving for me. Anyway, I'll speak to you when I get up there. G'day everyone, just a quick update. Okay, so I made it back to the Gold Coast, and I found a nice little spot. I don't stay here at night, but I found a spot that I've used previously that is very safe. Don't get any hassle there, touch wood, nothing from the wardens. And I just want to spin you around. I come up here, this is Southport Spit. Just come up here, do some work, video editing and such like. I just want to spin you around and just let you have a quick look at it. It's a cracking spot. So just up there to that's north. Just up there you carry on all the way up, kind of follow the water around to the left. That would eventually take you up into Brisbane through Moreton Bay. And then to the right here, kind of the path scrolls round, that's the Southport Seaway. That will take you out to the ocean, out to the Pacific. And then we'll just spin you around to the south. This is that's called Labrador, so one of the suburbs of the Gold Coast. And then just heading back round to the south there, and you'll see the high rises in the background there. That's Southport. And then just a bit further down, I'll zoom in, just between the trees there, you see the high rises of Surfers Paradise. So this is where I generally like to come during the day. It's a great spot. And there's the van. Okay, so thanks for watching this video this week. There's not a lot happening, but we'll do another one for next week.
Hello world, wake me up to another good